Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube. This video just about quick easy way to polish or to shine um, uh, headlight lens. I'm using different product. This one is supposed to be much better than the one I used before in other video. I'll put link description. And this one is NU Finish. It's much better actually. The other product I use for deep scratch um from Walmart. I bought that polisher from, and this one however works much better, and you'll see the result at the end of this video. So I'm putting like thin layer of polishing on the headlight lens, and then this is the rotation of the polisher. First I try to at a low speed. It has 6 speed, so I start with 1. The reason I'm starting at low speed, I don't want to burn, like this one has a very high speed, so I just want to, it's my first time actually trying this, and I want to make sure what is the best setting for polishing at low speed, medium speed or high speed. So this is the first coat I'm doing. I want to make sure I get rid of the shade and scratches, and this is very old one and very dirty and it's already faded. I think this headlight lens has been replaced, and so you don't want to press too hard, just easy. And once all the polishing is gone, make sure it's not too dry. If it's too dry, that's what I'm doing here. I'm doing the second coat, and as soon as you see the polishing liquid, it's kind of dry, stop and then add more and then continue. I have several videos about restoration, like light lens cover restoration. I'll put link description down below. I use different type of methods, and I always like to try new method or different ways or whatever. And I found this method how it works really well, and it's fast, easy. But you need polisher like this one. The polishing, some polishers, they don't rotate, they basically evaporate. Those are not really good to use at all. You need the one that rotates and has a multiple speed or variable speed, so you can control. Here you can see the second coat, it pretty much becomes much shiny little after, like a little, and you can see the shine. You can see it's very clean, and it's basically better result. And I didn't expect actually that headlight tone to be really good. And of course this makes this like the polishing method, it does two in one. First it make the headlight lens shiny, clean. Second, it make it really super smooth, and it last like many long time, so you don't have to worry about to do restoration again. And here is the final result. Just wipe it with a clean fiber cloth rag, and it should be good to go. And you can see it's much better than before. So thank you very much for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next video. Please support our channel and check out other related videos about headlight restoration you may like a video, so consider subscribe, like and share. All the best and hope to see you next video. Thank you.